Hello guys and welcome back to our class. My name is Dennis and today I'm going to be your teacher, so nice to meet you. And as you can see on our screen, today we're going to talk a little bit about a pronunciation topic. So let's start with a simple question that is like our warm up. So what do you think? Which part of the word sounds stronger of each word that you can see on the screen? The first one is banana, the second one is guitar, the third one is hotel, and the last one is doctor. Which part of each word sounds stronger for you? So, let's do the first one. What do you think? Which part of the word sounds stronger? Then, with the second one, then we are going to analyze the third one, that is hotel, and of course the last one, that is doctor. And then we are going to continue with the main topic, that is word stress. So here we have like, what is word stress? So they say that this is the way to emphasize the part that is the syllable of a word more than others. So why we do that? Because in English, one syllable is usually stronger, louder, longer, and it is said with a higher pitch than the rest. So for you to understand, there we have some three examples for you to understand. For example, we have the first one, that is table. You can notice that in the first syllable, it is the stress. Table sounds like a bit louder, a big table. And then we have the second, uh, sorry, the second example, that is banana. So when you pronounce it, it sounds like ba-na-na. The first na, you have to say it a little bit louder, banana. That is with the middle syllable, okay? And the third example is computer. When you pronounce that word, you can notice that in the second syllable is stress, computer. So repeat after me, please. Computer. So, well, um, with this, we can understand that using the word stress correctly, that helps us to sound more natural, fluent, and of course to sound clearer in English when we are talking. It in knowing this and noting this word stress, uh, it also helps us to understand the difference between some words that look similar but they have different stress and meaning. For example, with the word present, that is the noun, present, and the word present, that is the verb. Can you notice the difference? Present and present. The stress in those words makes the difference, okay? You can also repeat after me. Present, 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 present. And you notice the word stress in that syllables. So, continue with that. Well, it's your turn to practice. So there we have short activity actually. So in this at this moment, I want you to mark the stress word in those sentences. So in the first one, we have I want to go to the movies. So what you are going to do? You are going to stress the words. You are going to mark the words that are stressed, okay? In the first one, that is I want to go to the movies, and of course in the second one, that is she bought a new guitar yesterday. So you have to mark those stress words that you can notice in each sentences, okay? I'm going to give you some minutes to do it. And then we have another short activity actually. That is, you have to write 3 sentences about your life. And of course, you have to practice those sentences that you wrote, and you have to practice your pronunciation. You have to pronounce correctly and use the correct rhythm and the stress, okay? And if you have any question, any doubt, and or you don't know how to pronounce that word or where is the stress, you can tell me, okay? So because I want to listen to you, I want to listen to you pronounce each word. I need you to practice and practice and practice because we are watching the word stress. We are practicing a pronunciation topic, okay? So when we finish that activity with your 3 sentences, that's it. It's the end of the class. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class.